Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up Revolut's direct debit feature. Alright, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Revolut account, and you want to navigate to the payment section. So once you're logged into your account, just navigate to the payment section. Next, you want to select the direct debit option, and you can enter the payment details. Once you've selected the direct debit option, just enter the payment details, and next you want to confirm the direct debit setup. So once you're done confirming the direct debit setup, and everything will be good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Revolut's direct debit feature. Super quick video, and hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.